Good morning guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today is a busy day for me and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. So currently making my way to the visa office because I'm collecting my visa for Korea, South Korea. So yeah, it cost me about 150 plus if I'm not wrong. But yeah, let's go and get it. Whoops. Alright, visa collection is done. Alright, so next up I'm meeting a friend to collect a DJI Osmo Pocket 3 from him because I want to test it out, and then after testing out for a few weeks I'll decide whether I should buy it or not. Yeah. Nothing. You should vlog that.
Hey, don't go and anyhow post this.
No, it wasn't recorded. But yeah, I was saying something not supposed to be on YouTube.
Yes.
Sneak. I'm the rainmaker. Allow close like how much do you close? 10k.
$500,000.
$500,000. Okay, you don't need me anymore. Bye bye. Lunch. Free lunch. Not just lunch. Free lunch. Thank you. So this is the free lunch, guys. Just this.
Just this once.
Just this rice.
So just
Free
this
rice.
once.
No way.
Just this one.
No way.
So hungry waiting for him or what?
My heart.
Cannot take any blue.
Sign this thing. Sign that thing. So the second meeting was actually at the bank. I was helping a friend out. Can't share too much about what goes on, but yeah, just helping a friend out at a OCBC bank. Anyway, going off to work. I have a shoot today at the single cars, and yeah, kinda late. So I grab a bike and gonna rush to the place.
Possibly see a silhouette with this. Wow. Not direct.
Wow. Beautiful.
You know what's a nice thing though?
Yes. What's the nice thing?
It's not the final form yet. Because
All right.
the Guinness tab's not here yet.
Ah.
It will be.
Guinness tab. Very important. And you can literally see your face here, man.
What
Alright.
this basically means is you're gonna have to come back just for the Guinness tab.
Yes, I will. And you guys should definitely come back. I mean, come here. They're not open yet, but they will be soon. Alright, here we have the artist with her brush. Come on, let's paint this. Let's paint this place.
Turn it up if you want.
Can you just turn it up for it?
Yeah, we didn't have to work better than me. I just pressed everything when I came in.
There you go. So this is this is the brightest aspect of the bar.
Because anything later, I can darken, lighten it.
Nice.
I'll show you what my, again, this is my eye to detail project. We're already spotting something that they like in that picture.
That thing.
It's upside down. I'm so silly.
Wow. Team. White team. There you go, white team.
Oh,
Finally using this. Shilling.
oh my god, they're still alive.
Yep. Some of them will be still alive. That's crazy.
Right, I will just hold with my hand now.
Spiders to dry hop.
Okay, this one die already, confirm.
No need for any oil.
Just a minute.
The artist. Okay, cheers. Lazy. You're not on focus. Need a third. Cheers.
I think they have this kind of like keep-on lens.
Have to buy, yeah.
Okay.
Nice or not? Oh. Alright guys, let me just say something that every alcoholic says. One before we go. Right, G?
Yes.
One before we go. Yeah, that's her. See, she's making another drink now. 5 minutes ago, she wanted to go home. Now she's making another drink. Whiskey sour. But never say no to whiskey sour.
Work out, right?
Yes. Alright. Sugar syrup. Full cup. Alright. Guys, this is the trick to
Have dessert.
have the
Why
best
eat them?
whiskey sour.
Why eat them when you can drink them?
Do this for all your whiskey sour. Damn. Ooh. iPhone.
Yeah.
Wow. I just dropped my phone for that show, but trust me, this is the best drink ever. I mean the best technique. I just love the sugar on top though, because it'll be like stuck on your upper lips.
True.
Then when you wipe it off, it's like sweet. I still need to run 10k later.
You can do it.
Okay.
This is pre-workout.
There you go.
Okay,
Pre-workout.
Try and
Cheers.
then tell me.
Here you go, try. The real bartender. Let's flip the camera. There you go. Ooh. Nice.
But not cold enough.
It's fine though, because the thing is you're not using ice in there, right? So dilution factor remains quite constant. The idea for this though is still refreshing.
Yep.
And you get the balance between the smoke, the sweetness, and the lemon in there. The brulee on top, right, just gives you like the balance as well. Especially if you don't like too
The
much
brulee
sugar,
on
right?
top.
Brulee on top, right?
Oh.
The nice thing also, right, is that if you're not going to put too much sugar inside also, you're actually going to counterbalance it by the brulee itself.
Yes.
Because
That's right.
biting through it, then you're drinking below. So
Yes.
it's sour and sweet at the same time, which is exactly what you're looking for.
Yeah.
Nice. I really like it. It's something that I would actually drink. Because I don't like my sour too sweet.
So anyway, today I have a lot of appointments, so and I don't want to be late. So I came out early, and I came out 45 minutes early. And then when I started to come out, and I'm like almost in town area, and people started texting me, oh, I need to do this, I need to do that, and I'm gonna be late for 5-10 minutes. I can only be out in like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. And then just by adjusting to their timing, I was late for most of my meeting. So I think I'm just gonna be late next time. Just take my time. I don't have to come out early, and yeah, just don't accommodate for people, I feel, because yeah, that's the case most of the time. And yeah, just be late, guys. Trust me, just be late. Just be the guy who came in late. Right, no time wasted. Straight out for the run. Let's go. Anyway, I think I'm in love with the Osmo Pocket 3, and I just switched it back to DJI Action 4. I think it's because of the same ecosystem. The footages, I can still watch it back, is flawless, so that's pretty good. But yeah, the main reason why I want to switch this camera is very durable. I like to vlog on this, but I just, I'm not really happy with the dynamic range, not really happy with the color that are coming out from the DJI Action 4. I might want to upgrade it to DJI Action 5, or I'll get the Osmo Pocket 3. And I have a trip coming up in 2 days time to Malacca, and I'll be primarily vlogging with the Osmo Pocket 3 and test it out. Can't wait. It's a really nice camera. There's a lot of things I can do with it, and I can't wait to play around with it. Woo! Woo! What a run! Whew. That was pretty crazy. So yesterday I slipped downstairs outside the lift, and then yeah, my knee got, it was hurt for that moment, and then it was okay for the whole day, and it was okay today the whole day. But while I was running, it started to hurt at like 1 km mark. But I still, yeah, halfway through, like around 5 km, the pain kind of disappeared. So yeah, I went with it. I was gonna stop at 5, but I just went with it. It's good run. Alright guys, that is it. So far it's been almost a month now, and I'm really enjoying this journey. Yeah, a lot of work for me to do, a lot of things to learn, but yeah, I'm really enjoying it. That's all I can say for now. I don't know what's gonna happen in the next few months, few years, but yeah, right now I'm just enjoying the process. So yeah, pretty fun. Anyway, that's it guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys.